This is Sophie, just an average punter who loves to cook. And with HelloFresh, she can make every day delicious.
Well, that's good, because on my own, I make no days delicious. So what are we eating?
Well, Monday you can jump on the barbie with your bestie for delicious veggie burgers.
We're not on the barbie. These delicious halloumis are.
Oh, no, it's not halloumis, I don't think so. It's halloumi, right?
Jack, I know my cheeses.
That you do, Soph.
Oh.
Tuesday evening calls for fabulous extras like chocolate brownies.
Speaking of extra, hello, Alex Perry.
What on earth are you wearing?
I put this extra special outfit together just for you.
You really shouldn't have.
Are you raising your eyebrows at me?
I don't think so.
It's mesmerising.
Wednesday is fresh and fast spiced pork strips with veggie couscous for when you're flat out.
Dinner time already? I was totally flat out. Better get cooking.
And it's all pre-prepped and ready in as little as 15 minutes.
Still flat out.
Are you though? Crowd-pleasing chicken and chips is a great option for a Thursday.
Or when things are about to get nuts. Do you guys like to cook?
Well, we like to eat, especially when it's a competition.
Oh, sure, come in.
Who can eat the most burger? Eating blindfolded. Once we ate the alphabet.
Well, tonight it's C for chicken and chips and L for lots of it.
Oh, yeah! Let's go eat!
Prawn Thai red curry is the perfect way to celebrate Fancy Outfit Fridays.
Or if you just really like prawns. Welcome, Po.
Sophie, you're looking fancy tonight.
Everything's fancy here, Po, especially the grub.
You can even impress your foodie friends.
Okay.
And to balance it all out on the weekend, healthy Duca salmon helps you prepare for the week ahead.
Or when you want to balance out what happened last night.
Nothing happened last night.
Sure it didn't.
Thank you.
Balance on a plate.
With HelloFresh's variety of recipes, cuisines and ingredients, every meal is sure to be a winner.
I really hate that dress, but these are delicious.
Tough crowd.
Who do you think could eat the most?
I'm definitely gonna win.
Game on, Biggie.
I've got faith in you, Soph.
This is delicious. I feel like I'm at a restaurant.
Thanks, Po.
Not expecting this from you, Soph.
What's that mean to me?
Oh, that it's really good.
High praise from a master chef.
Delicious.
So about last night.
I don't want to talk about last night.
Probably for the best. From Mexican to Mediterranean, curry to couscous, halloumi to salmon, chicken and chips to dessert.
Yeah, whatever it is. I'm having the one with the chips.
Hey, I'm not finished.
Yes, you are. How delicious is this? Oh, Korean beef tacos. Awesome.
Make every day delicious. HelloFresh.
Anyway, back to that dress. That was hilarious what you just said. You love it, eh?
Still hate it.